Did you know there's a place in Indonesia that looks less like a tropical island and more like a sci-fi planet? Welcome to Bandung. Known as the Paris of Java for its stunning colonial architecture and crisp mountain air, this hidden highland is where locals go to escape the heat while everyone else crowds the beaches of Bali. Today, we are taking you on a journey. From riding Southeast Asia's fastest bullet train to walking inside an active volcanic crater and exploring secret Zen art sanctuaries hidden in the mist. This is the ultimate luxury and nature guide to Indonesia's best-kept secret. Let's dive in. Our journey begins not in Bandung, but at Jakarta's futuristic Halim station. This is where you catch the Whoosh, Southeast Asia's very first high-speed bullet train. For decades, traveling from the capital to Bandung meant bracing for a brutal 3 to 4 hour gridlock on the highway. But the Whoosh changes everything. Gliding smoothly at 350 kilometers per hour, the landscape transforms from Jakarta's concrete skyscrapers to lush, rolling green hills in the blink of an eye. In just 45 minutes, you are stepped out into a completely different climate. It's efficient, it's high-tech, and it's the perfect, seamless start to a luxury getaway. Step off the train, and you immediately feel the drop in temperature. Welcome to the cultural heart of the city, Jalan Braga Street. Walking down this street feels less like Asia and more like a vintage European avenue from the 1920s. During the Dutch colonial era, this was the epicenter of high fashion and society. Today, those historic Art Deco buildings have been beautifully preserved, housing trendy hipster cafes, boutique art galleries, and live acoustic music. Just a short walk away is Alun-Alun Bandung, the city's central square. Here, a massive, vibrant green artificial lawn sits right in front of the Grand City Mosque. It's a lively social hub where locals gather to relax, families play, and you can truly feel the warm, welcoming pulse of Bandung's community. Right on the corner of Jalan Braga stands an architectural crown jewel, the Hotel Savoy Homann. Built in 1871 and redesigned in 1939 with a sleek, wave-like Art Deco facade, this hotel isn't just a place to sleep. It's a living museum. As you walk through the grand lobby, you are walking in the exact footsteps of history. This hotel hosted world leaders during the historic 1955 Asian African Conference, including Charlie Chaplin himself during his travels through Java. The vintage furniture, grand ballrooms, and nostalgic atmosphere make you feel like you've stepped into a classic Hollywood film set. Bandung isn't just about the past, it's a modern creative capital. Our next stop takes us to Rumah Mode Factory Outlet, a legendary shopping paradise built like a beautiful tropical resort. Here, you can hunt for high-end fashion and traditional textiles surrounded by lush gardens and fountains. we head higher into the northern hills of Dago, where Bandung's thriving art scene reveals itself. First, we enter Batu, a breathtaking stone sanctuary created by master artist Sunaryo. This isn't a typical gallery. It's an open-air spiritual labyrinth where massive, raw stones are meticulously balanced to reflect on life, death, and the afterlife. Right nearby is the Selasar Sunaryo art space and pavilion. Sitting on its wooden deck, sipping local Javanese coffee while looking over the misty valley, you realize why Bandung is the artistic soul of Indonesia. Now, we travel south, deep into the highlands, to witness the ultimate jaw-dropper, Kawah Putih, or the White Crater. The moment you step onto the wooden pathways, the modern world completely vanishes. You are standing inside a massive, active volcanic crater lake. The water is a striking, pale turquoise color, shifting to white or blue depending on the sulfur levels and the sunlight. A eerie white mist constantly dances across the surface of the water, surrounded by the charred, skeletal remains of ancient trees. The air smells strongly of sulfur, and the atmosphere feels intensely cinematic, like standing on the surface of another planet. It is a hauntingly beautiful reminder of the raw, volcanic power that shaped this island. After exploring the wild volcanic nature, it's time to experience Bandung's world-class luxury hospitality. Nestled high in the Dago Hills is the InterContinental Bandung Dago. Surrounded by a prestigious golf course, its floor-to-ceiling windows offer panoramic views of the city lights glittering far below in the valley. If you prefer a more cutting-edge, architectural marvel, look no further than the Gaia Hotel. This massive resort is built directly into the side of a mountain like a futuristic sanctuary. It features breathtaking infinity pools that hover over the jungle canopy, gorgeous outdoor amphitheaters, and minimalist luxury rooms. It is the ultimate spot to process the incredible contrast of the day, from active volcanoes to five-star modern design. Bandung is a city that defies expectations. It is high-tech, yet deeply historic, intensely artistic, yet raw and volcanic. If you're ready to see a side of Indonesia that most tourists completely miss, it's time to book that ticket.